Namaste and very good evening to one and all present here. It is really a pleasure to meet all of you in this online inauguration of third batch of GST course organized by the Department of Commerce, DG Vaishnav College in association with the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. I now request Professor S. Seshadri Nathan, Associate Professor, Advisor and Head, Department of Commerce, Shift 2, to commence the proceedings with a prayer. Over to SSN, sir. Sir, you can commence with the prayer.
SSN,
sir. Hello, SSN, sir. May now request Professor Dr. J. Jaishankar to welcome the gathering.
good evening. Can you hear me, Rakesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. J. Jaishankar, Head of the Department of Commerce, DG Vaishnav College, Chennai. We signed an MOU with the Institute of Cost Accountants of India last year to offer crash course on GST for the benefit of our students. We have already completed 2 batches, and the third batch of students will be undergoing the course now. Mr. Rakesh Shankar, who is my colleague and coordinator for the program, has highlighted the following points with respect to the earlier batches that we have had. We have so far trained 309 students in 2 batches, and 289 students have cleared their exams. 5 students have started practicing on a small level and have been very successful in their ventures. Many of our students are from the business community, and after going through this course, they have started to support their own family business by filing the returns in a timely manner. Students pursuing professional courses have started networking with the industry faculty for their practical training also. You are all aware that the government of India introduced the GST on the 1st of July 2017. In fact, 1st July is observed as GST Day every year. It was the same year the Department of Commerce, DG Vaishnav College, introduced GST as part of the BCom and MCom syllabus. And we also organized a workshop for 2 days for the benefit of the teachers who are handling the indirect taxes. And if you see actually the regulations, firms that earn more than 20 lakhs per year, whose turnover is more than 20 lakhs per year, will have to submit returns, GST returns. In fact, every firm I understand has to submit as many as 3 returns per month. So altogether, a firm may have to submit 36 returns in a year in addition to the annual returns. So there is actually a need for GST tax return preparers. So if you pursue the course, definitely you will be able to practice as GST consultants, and you will be able to file GST returns. And moreover, in the 6th semester, in your BCom course, in the 6th semester, you have a paper on indirect taxes. GST will be part of it. So however you look at it, you will find the crash course on GST quite useful. I have immense pleasure in welcoming all the officials of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. With these introductory remarks, I now hand over the proceedings to my colleague, Mr. Rakesh Shankar. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful welcome address. may now request CMAP Raju Iyer, the Central Council member and chairman, the Internal Auditing and Assurance Standards Board, to deliver the inaugural address and inaugurate the course online. Over to you, sir.
Rakesh Shankar ji.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for interrupting
Yes,
in between.
sir.
I just received a call from the Vice President.
Yes, sir.
He asked for the link from me. I forwarded the link to him once again, so he might be joining.
Yes. I'll accept him when he's joining, and he will deliver the keynote address.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, Raju here, sir, you can just deliver your address, post which Vice President will, when he joins, he will give the keynote address.
Okay. Respected Rakesh Secretary, respected my dear good friends of DG Vaishnava College, I'm very happy to be here on online program. Dr. Ashish ji, and Dr. Sundari Rangarajan and Nirupama, and I'm very happy to be here. We have inaugurated the last classes on online. Our Vice President is here. Welcome, Vice President Dusuru Basu sir. Welcome. Yeah. And this good afternoon. This program we are arranging in online because at the present pandemic situation we are unable to meet and have a live classes. Though the live classes will have add more value, but at this situation we'll be having it. And again, once the situation improves, we'll be having the live classes so that the students will have the real benefit. And why our institute has decided to conduct the GST program? We had a discussion with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs where they have requested all the three institutes to conduct programs to GST so that the youngsters, the youth will be able to involve in the GST once the GST will be spread, and especially the MSMEs will be able to utilize the service of the youth at affordable cost. And in fact, at the Vaishnava College inauguration, I was informing that the students, once they are familiar with what they have to do, and they'll be having online experience, online exposure, and what they will be having, they will be able to approach at least 5 to 10 MSMEs in the beginning itself, and they will be able to help them by uploading the form and by preparing the statement, whatever required, so that each one will be very easily able to earn 50,000 is a minimum to 1 lakh within a period of 6 months to 9 months. And it is whoever is a second year student or final year student who are all doing it, they will be able to complete this course and be able to earn while they are learning itself. So this is giving a very good opportunity, and in fact, the students not only will be having the knowledge of GST and whatever the subject they are studying in their curriculum while they are doing BCom or whatever the courses, they will be having the entrepreneurship. When someone takes the GST consultancy, they'll be meeting various business people, and where it may be varying from micro, medium, small to large enterprises, where they will have the idea of what the business people are doing, how the entrepreneurs are doing it, and what type of new activity, new services they are providing, how they are able to reach that pinnacle of the destination. So that way, it will be very good for them. We are not only giving them the opportunity to learn the GST, but also we are developing the entrepreneurship, which is very much required in the present situation of our country, where unemployment rate is high and all that. Once this COVID-19 situation is over, the economy and the industry will be bouncing like anything. We are going to have the highest growth because of the political situation, whatever happening in China and the international level. India will be the #1 country which is going to lead the world for providing the opportunities and in services and economy and industry. And especially now in the present scenario where Atmanirbhar is there, where we are going to produce whatever required for our country, and self-generation is going to be there. So this is also giving the opportunity for all our youngsters to be the entrepreneur, to develop the economy, and to contribute more to all these MSMEs who will be on their own and who will be requiring the services not only in GST but also in accounting, finance, and all other matters, which our youngsters will be very much equipped to take over. So this is giving the opportunity. I thank DG Vaishnava College for again supporting us, and I request to enroll more students and more members to popularize the course and to develop them not only in this but various courses what we are offering in data analytics, in other areas also. Data analytics also gaining a lot of strength today, and we arrange a program for entrepreneurship also, so that the youth will be benefited. It will helping the institutions and economy and the nation. Thank you very much for the opportunity. I wish all the best for the courses. Thank you very much. Good day. Wish you all the best. Good day. Thank you, Rakesh Shankar ji. Thank you, Jaisagar sir. Last time we have met and we had a personal discussion.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your very motivating speech and highlighting the scope for the students.
Yeah.
May I now request our Honorable Vice President of the Institute, Shri Bisuru Basuji, to address the students. Bisuru Basu sir is a very senior most member with 4 decades of experience. So along with this address, he will bless our students also to be successful in their career, life and the academics. So over to you, Bisuru Basu sir.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Respected CMA Balvinder Singh, President, the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Respected CMA P. Raju Iyer. Respected CMA H. Padmanaban. Respected CMA A to Z Murthy. Respected CMA Paparao Sunkara. Respected CMA Dr. V. Murali. Honorable government nominees, my beloved students, my great respect to the teachers of the school. My beloved students, I am addressing you at a time when the entire world is suffering from the impact of COVID-19. I do believe India has the potential to emerge as the global hub for providing skilled manpower to other nations. We can prove to the world that 21st century belongs to India through self-belief, dedication and discipline. It is a common knowledge that life in post-COVID era will not be the same. The effects of the pandemic are expected to have a lasting impact in every sphere of activity, even as various nations are trying to revive their economies and protect livelihood. GST has opened up tremendous opportunities for cost and management accountants and also for the young professionals. As a young professional, it is your duty to learn GST. The Institute of Cost Accountants as a premier accounting institute is always supportive to the various initiatives of the government. The institute has played a great role at the time of implementation of GST. We have provided suggestions to the government, and it is a fact that the suggestions given by our institute has been accepted by the government. So we have proved by our ability that today a cost accountant or a professional can take care of the health of the country. I also appreciate the great endeavor our tax research department is doing under the able leadership of CMA Niranjan Mishra, Rakesh Bhalla, and all my council colleagues. And I am also grateful to our beloved President CMA Balvinder Singh for the great initiative that we are taking. From the institute, we are publishing tax bulletin on a fortnightly basis, which contains articles, case laws, notification, and recent updates on direct tax and indirect tax are published there. Till now, we have published 71 tax bulletins. Till now, we have published 71 tax bulletins. We are also publishing handbooks on different topics of taxation, both direct and indirect taxes, for the benefit of the stakeholders. We are also regularly submitting suggestions and representation to CBIC and CBDT for betterment of Indian tax structure. We are organizing seminars, webinars for our beloved members to upgrade knowledge in taxation. You will appreciate knowledge is power, so we need to update our knowledge, and learning is a continuous process. Excellence is not a destination. We have to achieve excellence in all our endeavors. We have also launched taxation help desk where stakeholders are giving reply to all the questions raised are being replied through experts. We have also introduced top stories section taxation portal of the institute in front of course on GST and income tax return filing and filing TDS pan-India basis for around 5,000 stakeholders, and I must say that many stakeholders have been benefited. We have introduced 2 new courses are going to be launched in the in the couple of days. That is advanced course on income tax assessment and appeal, advanced course on GST and assessment procedure, advanced course on customs and imports, exports management is on the pipeline. Last but not least, we are conducting crash course on GST for colleges and university level pan-India basis for the purpose of creation of employable youths. As of now, around 1,000 candidates have been benefited. Besides this, another new course named by crash course on income tax overview is ready to be launched for college and you develop yourself. Learning is a continuous process. Course will benefit you. Purity, patience, and perseverance are the three elements. I believe you will work hard and definitely success will come. I also pray to God for your health, happiness, and prosperity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful, eloquent, elaborate speech on the activities undertaken by the Institute for the students and for the benefit of the professionals. Thank you so much. May I now request CMA Rajat Basu, the head TRD, to deliver a few words as a mark of blessings for the students.
Thank you, Rakesh ji. Respected Vice President sir, present today, Raju Iyer sir, Head of the Department Commerce, Jay Shankar sir, and other teachers, professors, and students. Our respected Vice President has already elaborated the initiatives taken by the Institute in the taxation front, including the trainings which we are offering to the students and also the members and tax practitioners. And this particular certificate course is being conducted in DG Vaishnav College for last, I think, couple of months, and this is the third batch. And already, as Rakesh Shankar sir and Jay Shankar sir already said, that we have finished up training 309 students, and many of them we are happy, and it's nice to learn that many of them are now practicing and helping their own business. And this particular course has been designed in such a way so that the students will get a practical experience, practical oriented teaching in the GST procedures, basic procedures of GST like registration, UA bill, return submission, and annual return, all these areas. And moreover, the more stress has been given on the basics of the GST, which is pillar, like time of supply, place of supply, and input tax credit, valuation. Because without having a good knowledge on this part, one cannot be mastered in GST. So we have designed this course in such a way that you will get a feel of what GST is, the basics, and also the practical approaches. So we expect that this course will be helpful to all the students. And thank you very much, and wish you all the best for your future endeavor. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Any clarifications from the students? Yes, you can post to the Vice President or to the Tax Research Department head. If you have any questions regarding the course, yes, you can interact now, because it is a wonderful opportunity. We have got the Vice President of a professional body with us. Students, you can just, if you have any queries, yes, you can post it to them.
On our institute matters also, you can ask the question.
Yes, yes. Even faculty members, it is open to the faculty members.
Yes.
If you have got any clarifications or any queries with regard to the GST or functioning of the course, yes, you can. You are free to ask.
Sure.
Yes, Uma Devi. Yes, please post your question.
Sir, on Saturday and Sundays we have 2 sessions, sir.
Yeah.
On Saturday, you'll be having one session. On Sunday, you'll be having another one session. Mostly on Saturdays and Sundays, you will have the persons from the department, from the GST department, they'll be coming and handling the classes because they are free only on Saturdays and Sundays. So that is the reason we have scheduled on Saturdays and Sundays with 2 and 2 sessions.
Okay, sir. Mode of examination, sir.
Rajat Basu sir will answer this
Mode of examination is it is objective type examination, and right now under this pandemic situation we will try not to have the pen and paper examinations, but yes, if government allows, we will have it, but it is an objective types examination.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
We will try to have online examination also.
Yeah, if it goes on, then we'll try to have an online examination.
Online examination also.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And again,
Thank you.
why the department people are coming and addressing, it will be create you more opportunity to interact with the department. It's a government official. The department is government official. So when you interact with them, the more opportunity, more scope, and they'll be able to highlight to you. That's why the department official we are bringing on Saturdays and Sundays. Thank you.
We are having one Mr. Srivatsan, who is an IRS, who is the President of India awardee for e-governance. He has already visited our college and he will be addressing on this Saturday and Sunday. Wonderful person who trains all the IRS officers across India. So he'll be training us. We are delighted to have him and we are blessed on one aspect. Any other questions from the students or from the faculty?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, for how many days we have classes, sir?
For 16 days you have the classes.
16 days from
Yes.
today also? Okay.
From tomorrow, the regular classes will start. You will get the schedule by today evening. Even if you are missing some classes, yes, we will send the recorded videos also. So we are making all arrangements to support in this pandemic situation.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jyotika. I think Professor Seshadrinathan is back online. SSN sir, hope is it audible to you?
Sir, you have to unmute your mic. You have to unmute your mic. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Welcome.
Professor Seshadrinathan sir.
Unmute your mic, sir.
SSN sir, hope is it audible?
He has just gone out, I think.
Maybe some technical issues. So
Yeah.
on behalf of I think
Now
Yeah,
he is unmuting. Now unmuting. Yeah.
SSN sir, hope you are able to hear us.
Yes. Sir, you can address now. Yes, sir.
SSN sir.
So, close to the keep the mic close to your. Yes.
Hello.
Ah.
SSN sir. Okay, I think some technical issue. I deem it a great privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the Department of Commerce, DJ Vaishnav College, the management, principal, staff, and students of the department. It's an endeavor to propose this vote of thanks. I thank the Institute President, CMA Balvinder Singh, Vice President, CMA Biswaro Basu, CMA P. Raju Iyer, CMA H. Padmanabhan, CMA V. Murali, CMA Niranjan Mishra, and the other members of the Tax Research Department, especially CMA Rajat Basu and the CMA Balamurgan from the SIRC for their staunch support in conducting this course, the earlier 2 batches and the current batches. My sincere thanks to our head of the department, Dr. J. Jaishankar, who is always with us whenever we take a proposal for the benefit of the students. Yes, he is for it. And he has been instrumental in supporting with 309 students for the first 2 batches. Thank you so much, sir. My sincere thanks goes to Professor S. Seshadrinathan and the other faculty members and Dr. Prabha Rajagopalan, who is heading the BCom Corporate Secretaryship Department, who has been supporting us with these students' enrollment. Thank you so much, ma'am. We have Dr. M. Akila, the head of the Department of Finance and Taxation, who has been supporting in all the taxation-related lectures and other areas. Thank you so much, ma'am. Last but not the least, I thank all the students who have taken a sincere effort to join this course and to get benefited. So for any clarifications or any doubts, yes, you can always reach us through email or phone call. Thank you all. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes.
So actually during the
Yes,
same
Sairam.
thing, we have our online class, sir. Our college online class.
I think you just mail me. I will just tell you what to do. You just mail me. I will give you the solution. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wish you all the best. Good day. Good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.